Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook some delicious stew peas with pork chops. I've also had some very interesting recipes coming up that I'm sure you will enjoy. Now when you watch my videos, please remember, leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe as well. These are my ingredients for my stew peas with pork chops. I have red kidney beans, I have some vinegar, in front here I have some wet jerk seasoning paste, I have some jerk seasoning powder, spring onions, green chili, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, red and white onion, I have ginger, I have 3 bell peppers, yellow, green and red, some fresh thyme, and of course I have the pork chop. The first thing I need to do is to put some of this red beans into some water and I'm going to leave it there to soak overnight. Regarding the pork chops, what I'm going to do is to take these out of the packet. I'm going to give it a good wash and then I'm going to season it. This is my pork chop. This has been washed and cleaned properly, and now I'm just going to add the seasoning and all the other stuff and leave it to marinate. I've already added dried jerk seasoning with the meat, the fresh thyme, spring onions and also the jerk seasoning paste. I already add these. Just gonna finish chopping up the onions and the rest of stuff. There is a bit of salt. I did mention it in the ingredients earlier. Don't want to add too much. That should be enough. And I'm gonna rub everything together. This smells really nice. The pork chop is now seasoned. I'm just gonna cover it up and leave it about 3 hours. Allow it to marinate, and then I will start to cook it later. This is the red kidney beans that I've soaked overnight. This is now ready to be cooked. So in a while I'll just start the cooking process. I'm going to start to cook my stew peas now. What I've done, I've added some thyme, some more fresh thyme and some garlic in the pot. And I'm just going to bring this to a boil and then take it from there. The beans are now being cooking, it's come to a boil. What I'm going to do is just to add all these pork chops in the pot. This looks really nice. Smells really nice. And I'm just gonna allow this just to slow cook. I'm going to turn on the flame and then just allow this to cook nice and slow. So as you can see, it's now cooking really nice. Smells really nice. I wish you could smell it, you know, from watching this video, but yeah, this smells really nice and it's going very well. I think I'm gonna have this with some plain white rice, which I'm going to prepare later. One thing I didn't remember to mention at the start of my video is that I'm gonna add some little dumplings in my stew peas, which as you see I'm doing now. can see that it's thickening every time. I think it's about 60%. My stew peas is now cooked. You can see how thick the sauce is. The meat is tenderized. Look at that. Wow. Looks really lovely. So what I'm gonna do now is just to dish out some and have a taste. So this is the finished product. As you can see, looks really yummy. I'm just gonna have this with some fresh vegetables, white rice and dumpling. Please remember, when you watch my videos, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.